Hey guys, I want to show you how I got some of these details right here. Now, maybe you forgot to use masking fluid and so you didn't preserve these little tiny lines. That's not a problem. Now, this is a very small piece of paper. For you to have a comparison, there's a quarter compared to it. So this bird is about 3.5 inches tall. That's it. All right, but all you have to do to put in some details maybe you forgot to put in or you forgot to preserve, then all you have to do is get an acrylic paint marker like this one, shake it up, test it on some scratch paper, then you can come in and just put in some of those little highlights you might have forgot to put in earlier, like this, right? And what's nice is that it dries very quickly, so you can come back in with your brush and we'll just go over some of these highlighted areas with the paint to make it look a little bit more natural there. Now, do I recommend this on all of your white highlights and things like that? No. I think you should try to preserve the white as much as possible. But if you did forget to put in some of those highlights, you can easily just go back in like that and put in some of those highlights that you missed.